Hello, welcome back everyone. So आज हामी पढ्न गइरहेका छौं on libraries written by Oliver Sacks. यो चाहिँ एउटा स्टोरी हो जसमा यो देखाएको छ कि how Oliver Sacks लाई चाहिँ कसरी बुक्सहरुमा इन्ट्रेस्ट आयो and how he got into books. So this is an essay written by Oliver Sacks अनि यो चाहिँ राइटरकै कहानी हो जसमा he shows how since the childhood he had a library in his school, in his house अनि कसरी उहाँको मम्मीलाई पनि बुवालाई पनि एकदमै बुक्सहरुमा इन्ट्रेस्ट थियो. So he got into reading. So the story starts with when Oliver Sacks, the writer, is talking about his interest in books. So basically तिनीहरुको घरमा चाहिँ एकदमै ठूलो लाइब्रेरी थियो with a lot of shelves अनि सारा shelves मा there were different types of books like adventure को थियो, history को थियो. There was one adventurous book, the jungle book जसमा हाम्रो मोगली को क्यारेक्टर छ. त्यस्तो बुकहरु थियो. His father loved Henrik Ibsen's play while his mother loved Charles Dickens, Shakespeare's etc. अनि ओलिभर स्याक्स चाहिँ कस्तो थिए भने उनी बुकमा यति धेरै इन्ट्रेस्टेड थिए and he was so much into reading that sometimes he would just forget, like खाना बिर्सिहाल्थे, like lunch को लागि he wouldn't be found for dinners and what he would be doing, then he would be reading books. Like खाना आउँदैन थियो, डिनर गर्न आउँदैन थियो, he would be found in his library reading books and he would always be seen there. He didn't like going to school because for him it was passive learning. अनि उहाँ राइटरलाई चाहिँ कस्तो लाग्थ्यो भने राइटरलाई he felt like school is just about passive learning and while he learns from books, while he goes to libraries, he learns everything by himself. In schools मा चाहिँ हामीलाई कस्तो हुन्छ, somebody is teaching us, तर लाइब्रेरीमा उनी बसेर आफै पढ्थे and he would learn everything on his own. As he grew older, he got interested in astronomy and chemistry. So उहाँ ठुलो हुँदै जाँदा like he read a different, like a lot of variety of books, like पुरा genre read गर्थे. तर as he was growing older, ठुलो हुँदै जाँदा he realized that his interest is more into science. अनि साइन्सको साइडमा पनि astronomy र inorganic chemistry उहाँलाई निकै मन पर्थ्यो and he would always be seen like reading those things and he would be researching about that. Later on, he went to the Albert Einstein College and where he worked, he had like a big library, like there was a huge library and he just got interested किनभने उहाँ चाहिँ मेडिसिन पढ्न जानु भएको थियो अनि उहाँलाई लाइब्रेरी पाइसकेपछि now he had like the thing that he loved the most अनि उहाँलाई चाहिँ यो कुरा एकदमै मन परेको थियो. He was very happy. अनि he did like so many research there अनि sometimes उहाँलाई यस्तो हिस्ट्रीहरुको ट्रेजर वाला बुकहरु पनि पाइहाल्थ्यो. He would get a lot of things there. He felt the sense of community and intimacy with the readers. When we are sitting in a library and when we have people of our like own interest जसलाई book पढ्न पनि मन पर्छ, book lovers can relate किनभने when you are with somebody who has the same interest as you, we feel a connection. अनि यहाँ पनि त्यस्तै थियो. उहाँलाई चाहिँ एउटा कम्युनिटीको सेन्स आउँथ्यो जतिखेर उहाँ लाइब्रेरीमा बस्नुहुन्थ्यो रिडरहरुसँग because they all loved book as well. अनि त्यस्तै बुकको लागि रेस्पेक्ट थियो, त्यस्तै बुकको नयाँ स्मेलको लागि they would get excited, they would like the books. So because of that अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ 90s तिर there came a huge shift in trend अनि like obviously libraries मा आजकलको जमानामा त झन् कोही पनि जादैन, त्यति धेरै मान्छेहरु चाहिँ जादैनन्. There are few people going to libraries but not a lot of them. So this is the shift that came while he was in the college and he felt like the change in the scenario where he would see empty bookshelves. जहाँ bookshelves मा like हुन्छ नि धेरै किताबहरु थिएन धेरै किनभने अब कलेजको बच्चाहरुले चाहिँ कलेजकै बुक युज गर्थ्यौं अनि जति पनि बाकीको एक्स्ट्रा बुकहरु थियो त्यो सबै डिजिटलाइज्ड भइसकेको थियो. He asked the librarian that what's wrong, किन यहाँ बुकहरु छैन. So what the librarian replied was that now everything is digitalized अनि अब चाहिँ त्यति त्यो गर्दैनन् like बुकहरुको लागि. So now we don't have the same books. यतिमा चाहिँ what he felt like was that your shift was kind of a crime for him, kind of murder for the books अनि उहाँलाई चाहिँ यो कुरा अलिकति नराम्रो लाग्यो बिकज he had the connection with books and something for him was very irreplaceable about the books, about the new books, the covers, the smell, the everything that comes with a physical book, not a soft copy. So like the hard copy form ko lagi, he felt like there was a connection kind of, and he felt bad for it. So right now he also writes, he has like a huge interest in learning. So the library was given to him by his father, and his father plays a huge role for him having like interest in books. So at the end, what this is trying to say is that there is something about books, and book loverहरूलाई चाहिँ book एकदमै मन पर्छ. And now when there is a shift of scenario, यस्तो छ कि some people cannot accept it किनभने books have a different place of their own, and now everything is changing, but still people like to go to libraries, and book lovers are actually like readers. There are actual readers who still like reading the books and all. And that's it for the video. Thank you.